Hi everyone, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about some special type integrals. Already we discussed 10 types of integrals. So suppose here we know that integral 1 upon ax plus b under root of cx plus d dx. Is it clear? So maybe I think this is the seventh type, ax plus b into under root of cx plus d, or integral of ax plus b upon root of cx plus d dx, or integral ax plus b root of cx plus d dx. So here these three are, we can take root of ax plus b cx plus d upon dx. So these four types of integrals we can evaluate the under root part, or this one, or this one, or this one, or this one, whatever it. Here we are taking under root part is must be, under root part must be, we take some t square. Is it clear? The ax plus b, here the c, here ax plus b t square, here the cx plus d equals to t square. This is, we know that. So then we can evaluate these type of integrals. So what our observation is here, both are the linear expressions. One of them is the under root. So here both are the linear. Undoubtedly we are taking under root part is the t square. But here we know that how to find this one, integral 1 upon px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c. Just you remember it, how to evaluate of this type of integral. In this case we have to take only the px plus q, we are taking some 1 by t. Therefore in this case we are taking px plus q equal to 1 by t. Is it okay? The px plus q equal to, we are taking 1 by t. Therefore one of the linear, under root part is the quadratic expression. We are taking the px plus q is the 1 by t. Is it okay? Px plus q is the 1 by t. Therefore, suppose we know that here, what is the px plus q upon under root of ax square plus bx plus c, or px plus q into under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. So these are the type 4, this is the type 5. How to evaluate these type? Therefore this is the special case, but these two are, we can write the px plus q can be written as a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Is it clear? How to evaluate? We are taking so the px plus q, we are taking the px plus q equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Just you can remember that. Therefore now here the integral 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c px plus q. How to evaluate these type of integrals? So here we are taking the px plus q, this part to be taken some t square, this part under root part we are taking t square. Is it okay? Therefore now we are going to discuss one example. Now evaluate the integral x plus 2 upon x square plus 3x plus 3 root of x plus 1 into dx. Therefore here the x plus 1 equal to t square, the dx equal to 2t into dt. The x is the dx, t square derivative is the 2t dt. Therefore now here we can write the integral of x can be written as t square minus 1. The x is the t square, minus 1. Now here this is the plus 2 upon, now we can write the x square is, what is the x square is here? The x is the t square minus 1. Therefore t square minus 1 whole square. Therefore 3 into x is the t square minus 1. X is the t square minus 1. Therefore now this is the plus 3. Therefore under root of the x plus 1 is the t square. Therefore what is the x plus 1 we are taking? T square. Therefore now we can write the instead of dx. The instead of dx is the 2t dt. Instead of dx is the 2t dt. Therefore now this is integral. We can write this is the t square plus 1. Now this is the t square plus 1. Therefore here this is the 2t dt upon, now this is the a square is t power 4. Therefore now this is the minus 2t square, this is the plus t square. Now this is the t square. Now b square is the 1 here. This is the minus 3. This is the minus 3 plus 3 are the cancel. Therefore b square is the 1 into. Now this is the t. Square and under root cancel. Now these two are cancel. Now we are getting what is the integral? Integral t square plus 1. Integral t square plus 1 into dt upon 2 into, this is the t power 4 plus t square plus 1 into dt. How to evaluate of this type? This is the 10th type. When it is the denominator is the t power 4, when it is the denominator is the t power 4, what is the 10th type is? Divided by numerator and denominator with t square. Therefore then it becomes 2 into integral t square by t square is the 1 by t square. T square by t square is the 1. Sorry, t square by t square is the 1 plus 1 by t square. Is it clear? The numerator is divided by t square. T square by t square 1 upon t square. Now this is the t power 4 by t square is the t square. Now this is the t square. T power 4 by t square is the t square. Now this is the t square by t square is the 1. T square by t square is the 1. Then it is the 1 upon t square. 1 upon t square. Is it clear? Now t square by t square is the 1. This is the 1 by t square. After that t power 4 by t square is the t square. T square by t square 1. This is the 1 upon t square. Now this can be written as 2 into integral 1 upon 1 by t square dt. Now the denominator can be written as, how to write this one? T plus 1 by t whole square. Here a square is this one, b square is this one. Now we can write 2ab. Now this is, you can write here, now a square b square minus 1. Okay, is it clear how to write this one? A square is this one, b square is this one. Here 2ab plus 2 minus 1 is the 1. Therefore, now here in the 10th type we know that the small mistake is there. What is the 10th type is, undoubtedly when we are divided by t square by t square 1, this is the 1 by t square. What is the mistake is there here? Undoubtedly we are taking here, this is the minus. When the numerator is the plus, undoubtedly we are taking the minus. Why? Because here the derivative of t is the 1, the derivative of the minus 1 by t is the plus 1 by t square. The derivative of minus 1 by t is the plus 1 by t square. Therefore here a square is this one, b square is this one, minus 2. Therefore we are writing here, now we are writing here, therefore minus 2 plus 2 are the cancel. Therefore in this case we can write here must be 3, because a square is the t square, b square is the 1 by t square. Now we are getting, this is the minus 2ab, minus 2 plus 3, that is the 1. When we can expand this one, a minus b whole square, a square b square minus 2ab, that is minus 2 plus 3 is the plus 1. Now after that, why we are taking, therefore here this is, we taking some, let t minus 1 by t be y. This is the y. Derivative of t is the 1. The derivative of minus 1 by t is the plus 1 by t square into dt equals to dy. The derivative of t is the 1. Derivative of minus 1 by t is the plus 1 by t square into dt equals to dy. Therefore, now this is a 2 into integral 1 plus 1 upon t square dt is the dy. Now this is the y square plus, this is can be written as root 3 whole square. Is it clear how to write this one? Dy by, this is the dy by y square plus root 3 whole square, y square plus root 3 whole square. Now this can be written as 2 into 1 dx by x square plus a square. Dx by x square plus a square is the 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. That is the 1 by a. 1 by a is the 1 by root 3. Tan inverse of the x by a is the y by root 3 plus c. After that 2 upon root 3 tan inverse of, what is the y? Nothing but here t minus 1 by t. Therefore t minus 1 by t by root 3 plus c. What is the t is here? Root of x plus 1. What is the t here? Root of x plus 1. Finally you can write this is 2 by root 3 tan inverse of, this is the t square minus 1 upon root 3 into t plus c, where t square is the x plus 1. You can write here the x plus 1 minus 1. Finally we got the 2 by root 3. This is the 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 t square is the x square plus 1 minus 1 are the cancel. Now that is the tan inverse of, this is the tan inverse of t square minus 1 is the x upon root 3 into, therefore what is the t is root of x plus 1, that is the root of x plus 1 plus c is the answer. 2 by root 3 into tan inverse of, 2 by root 3 into tan inverse of x upon root 3 into x plus 1. Therefore here we are getting root 3, t is the root of x plus 1, root a into root b is the root of ab. Root a into root b is the root of ab. Is it clear? When the integral is in the form of when the integral is in the form of ax 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c into under root of px plus q into under root of the px plus q. How to evaluate this one? The must be x plus 1 be taken some t square. The derivative of x dx, t square is the 2t dt. After simplification we got this one. This is again 10th type. The nr and dr divided by t square. After that, when the numerator is the plus sign, undoubtedly we can write this is a minus b whole square, t minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3. This is the root 3 whole square. Dy by x square plus a square is the 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, where y is the here t minus 1 by t, t into t square, but t square is the x plus 1, t square is the x plus 1. Is it clear? So now we are going to discuss about the another type. So here this is the dx upon x minus k whole power r under root of ax square plus bx plus c, where r is greater than or equal to 2. So these are very different models. These are not in IPE board. Therefore, these are exclusively for advanced and mains only. Therefore, please concentrate the above model and this model and coming models also. So, the coming all classes are the only for competitive but not intermediate. So, please listen carefully how to solve this one. Here, in this case of this is the linear, this is the quadratic. We are know that if the r is not equal to 1, undoubtedly we are take the 1 by t. In this case also, when it is r is greater than or equal to t also, we are taking x minus k be taken 1 by t. What is the suitable substitution here? The substitution is the suitable substitution. The x minus k we are taking 1 by t. The x minus k is the 1 by t. Is it okay? The x minus k we are taking 1 by t. Therefore, now we are taking one example. Okay. So here the x minus 3. So what we have the substitution here? Evaluate the integral dx upon x minus 3 whole cube into x square minus of 6x plus 10. Minus of 6x plus 10. How to evaluate? These type of integrals we are taking the x minus 3 equal to 1 by t. X minus 3 we are taking 1 by t. The derivative of x is the dx. The derivative of x is the dx. The derivative of 1 by t is the minus 1 by t square into dt. The derivative of x is the dx. The derivative of 1 by t is the minus 1 by t square into dt. Therefore, now we can write here the integral 1 upon x minus 3 is the 1 by t cube. X minus 3 we are taking 1 by t. 1 by t whole cube is the 1 by t cube. Therefore, here under root of what we are taking x is 1 by t. 1 by t plus 3. 1 by t plus 3 whole square. Now this is minus 6. Minus 6 into 1 by t plus 3. Therefore plus 10. Therefore here the dx is the, what is the dx here? Minus of 1 by t square. Therefore the dx is the minus 1 by t square into dt. Therefore here the minus 1 by t square into dt. Now this is sending to the, therefore this is completely sending to the numerator. Now we are getting integral. This is the integral. How to all of you listen here? This is the integral. 2 times are cancelled. We are getting the minus of minus of 2 times here, the t square is the 2 times, this is the t cube. Now we are getting the t under root of, therefore this is the a square, this is the 2ab, 6 by t, a square 2ab. Next one, b square is the 9, a square 2ab, b square is the 9. Now this is the minus of 6 by t. Now this is the minus of 18 plus 10. Is it clear? Now this is the a square 2ab, b square is the 9, minus 6 by t, minus 18 plus 10. Now this is minus, therefore here, now this is the minus of t. Integral, we are taking the LCM is the t square. Therefore, now we can write here, these two are cancelled. 6 by t, 6 by t. Now this is the 9 plus 10, 19. Now this is minus t dt, minus t dt upon root of 1 by t square, root of 1 by t square. Now this is the 19 minus 18 is the plus 1. Now here this is the 9, this is the 10, 19, 19 minus 18 is the 9. Now this is sending to the numerator, then it will be minus of t square dt upon t square plus 1 under root of t square plus 1. Therefore, how to solve this one? How to evaluate this one? Therefore, now we can write here the t square upon t square plus 1 can be written as, this is can be written as the minus of t square plus 1 minus 1 under root of t square plus 1 dt. Is it clear? How to evaluate this one? Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, we are getting t square, that is the minus of t square. After that, now this is the, we can write here minus into minus plus 1 upon t square plus 1 under root. 1 upon t square plus 1 under root. This can, you can separate this one. Now this is minus of root of 1 plus t square, 1 plus 2 square. This is the sine h inverse of t. This is the form of sine h inverse of t. This is the formula of sine of h inverse of t. Now this is a square plus x square. What is the form of a square plus x square is? The a square plus x square is the form. Now we can write here. This is the 1 upon t square plus 1 is the sine of h inverse of t minus of a square plus x square. What is the form of a square plus x square is? X by 2 into root of a square plus x square. X by 2 is the t by 2 root of a square plus x square. After that, plus a square by 2, a square is the 1 by 2 sine of h inverse of t. Is it clear? X by 2 root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 sine h inverse of x by a, that is t by 1. Now this is, we can write here, this is the plus 1, this is the minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is the 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 sine h inverse of t minus of t by 2 minus of t by 2 root of 1 plus t square plus c, where t is, what is the t here? 1 by x minus 3. What is the t is here? The t is the 1 by, interchange in 1 by x minus 3. Here also 1 by x minus 3. Where t we are taking 1 upon, where t is the 1 upon x minus 3. This is the solution. Evaluate the integral 1 upon cube root of x plus fourth root of x. Here first we can take the 1 upon cube root of x plus fourth root of x. How to evaluate of these type of integrals? Here the index is here 1 by 3, this is the 1 by 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is the 12. In this case we are taking the LCM of 3 and 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is the 12. Therefore 3 4s are 12. Therefore now we are taking the suitable substitution is put x equal to the LCM is the 12. Therefore we are taking the x equal to t power 12. We are taking the x equal to 3 power 12. Therefore what is the dx? The dx equal to 12 into t power 11 dt. This is the dx. 12 into t power 11 into dt. Therefore how to evaluate this one? The integral 1 upon, we can take here the t power 12. 3 4s are. That means t power 4. This is the t power 4. Next one here, this is the 4 3s are 12 by 4. 4 3s are. This is the t cube. 12 into the dx is the 12 into t power 11 dt. T power 11 dt. Now this is, we can write 12 into integral. Now this is the t power 11 dt upon t cube is the common one. T cube is the common. This is the t plus 1. T plus 1. Therefore after that this is sending to the numerator. 11 minus 3 is the 8. Therefore now this can be written as 12 into 11 minus 3 is the 8. That is the t power 8. 11 minus 3 is the 8. That is the t power 8. T plus 1. That is the t power 8 upon t plus 1. Therefore in this case this is the improper fraction. We are taking the division algorithm. Therefore we can apply the we can apply in the actual rule. Therefore or another method is also there. Suppose if we are taking the t plus 1. Suppose if you are taking the t plus 1 equal to some y. Therefore t plus 1 we are taking some y. Therefore undoubtedly then it will become, this is the t plus 1 equal to y. Therefore dt equal to dy. Dt equals to dy. What is the t is here? Y minus 1. T is the y minus 1 whole power 8. Therefore y minus 1 whole power 8. Therefore this is the 12 into integral t is the y minus 1 whole power 8. Y minus 1 whole power 8. Dt is the dy whole by y. Whole by y. Therefore now the binomial expansion, we can apply the binomial expansion. Therefore this is the y minus 1 whole power 8. How to write this one? 12 into, now this is 8c0. Now we can write 8c0. That is the 8c0 y power 8 minus plus or minus is there. Now this is the 8c1 y power 7. After that 8c2 and so on. We have to find here the 8c0 is the 1 y power 8. 8c1 is the 8 y power 7. After that 8c2 can be written as 8 into 7 by 2 into 4. Therefore 8c2 is the, NCR is the, what is the form NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. 8c2 is the 8 into 7, 2 into 1, 2 4s are 8. That is the 28 y power 6. Okay, is it clear? 28. Here similarly 8c0 y power 8, 8c1, 8c2, 8c3, 8c4, 8c5, 8c5, 8c6, 8c7, 8c8. Suppose if it is a difficult, we can take directly the t power 8, t plus 1. This is the t power 7. This is the t power 8 plus 1 t power 7. Now we are taking the here by actual division. Is it clear what we are taking here? The actual division when we are getting this one. Therefore we can apply the division algorithm. Therefore this is the then after binomial theorem it will be very easy. Then you can write y power 8 by y power 8 by y power 7 minus 8 into y power 7 by y power 6. Similarly like this. Now we can write 12 into what is the y power 7? The integral is y power 8 by 8. After that it is minus 8 y power 7 by 7. Now this is 28 y power 6 by 6. This is minus 56 y power 5 by 5. Integral of x power n is the x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Now this is the 70 y power 4 by 4 minus 50 y cube by 3. Therefore, now this is the 28 y square by 2 minus of 8y. The last one is the log mod of y plus c. 1 by y is the log mod of y plus c. Where y is, what is the y here? T plus 1. Where y is the t plus 1. Therefore, where y is, you can substitute t plus 1. What is the t is? Here, the t is the 12th root of x. What is the t is here? 12th root of x. Is it clear? Therefore, where y is the t plus 1, but t is the 12th root of x. Okay? Where y is the t plus 1, but the t is the x power 1 by 12. 12 is standing other side, x power 1 by 12. Therefore, plus 1 is there. This is the y. You can write y equal to t plus 1. T is the x power 1 by 12. This is the solution. Okay. Now here this is x power minus 11, 1 plus x power 4 minus 1 by 12. This is the m, this is the n, this is the p. When it is m plus 1 by n plus p be the integer, where m is this one, minus 11 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now this is the minus of 10. Is it clear? Minus 10 by 2. Sorry, 10 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now this is the, what is here? Now this is the minus 5 minus 1 by 2. Okay, now 2 2s are 2 5s are. Now this is the minus of 3. When it is a m plus 1 plus p be a integer, this part be taken some t square. Here is there t square. Therefore, when it is in the form of m plus 1 by n plus p be a integer, undoubtedly this can be written as, all of you listen here how to write this one. First, the negative indices, that can be written as x power 11 1 plus x power 4 1 by 2 dx. This is the answer. How to write this one? Here the integral 1 upon x power 11, we are taking the common factor is the x power 4. Now when we are taking the x power 4, undoubtedly it will be x square. Now this is the 1 upon x power 4 plus 1 whole power 1 by 2. What we are taking the common factor? X power 4 is the common factor. X power 4 cancel. Suppose if you are facing it is a difficulty, then you can write x power 4 is the common. Now this is 1 by x power 4 plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 into dx. Is it clear? X power 4 cancel 1. That is x power 4 into 1. Therefore, after that, now here the integral 1 upon, this is the x square. Now this is 11 plus 2 is the 13. 11 plus 2 is the 13. 1 plus 1 upon x power 4 whole power 1 by 2 dx. Therefore, undoubtedly here this will be we are 1 plus, all of you listen here, 1 plus x power 4 equal to some t square. 1 plus x power 4 equal to t square. Now differentiating with respect to x, the derivative of 1 0, this is the minus 4 upon x power 5 dx equal to 2t dt. Is it clear? The 1 by x power 4 is the minus of 4 by x power 5 into dx is the 2t dt. Now these are substitute in this. Now we can write here the integral. Now we can write minus 4. Now this can be sent into the other side. Now this is 1 upon x power 5 into dx. 1 upon x power 5 into dx equals to, therefore 4 is sending to other side by 2. That is the minus of t by 2 dt. If 2 1s are 2 2s are into 2 sending other side by 2. Minus of t by 2 into dt. Therefore, how to solve this here? Now this can be written as, just wait 1 minute, dx. Here 1 into dx. This can be written as x power 5, 1 by x power 5 into x power 8. Suppose this is multiple with here. Suppose it is a multiple with x power 8. This is x power 13. All of you listen here. X power 13, 1 by x power 8 minus of t by 2 into dt. Is it clear? What is happening here? On both sides, 1 by, we have to multiple with 1 by x power 8. 8 plus 1, 13. 1 by x power 8 minus t by 2 dt. What is the x power 8 is here? 1 by x power 8. This is sending to the other side. Plus 1 is 1 by x power 4 equal to t square minus 1. Now this is clear. The 1 by x power 8 squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides here. 1 upon x power 8 is the t square minus 1 whole square into minus 2 by 2 dt. Is it clear? This is the value of 1 by 13 into dx. 1 by 13 into dx is the t square minus 1 whole square into minus t upon 2 into dt. Therefore, is it clear? Now we can write integral 1 upon, this can be written as 1 plus x power 4, 1 plus x power 1 plus 1 by x power 4 is the t square. 2 cancel, this is the t. Now what is the value of 1 by x power 13 dx? 1 by x power 13 dx is the t square minus 1 whole square minus 2 by 2 into dt. T cancel. Now this is the minus of 1 by 2. What is the constant here? 2 is there. This is the minus. Minus of 1 by 2. Now this can be expand this one. T square minus 1 whole square is the t power 4 minus of 2t square plus 1 into dt. Is it clear? Okay. Now here this is the minus 1 by 2. Therefore, what is the integral of x power n is? X power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. That is the t power 5 by 5 minus 2t cube by 3. Is it clear? T power 5 by 5. This is the 2 t square 2 plus 1. That is the 3 by 3. What is the integral of x power n? X power n upon n plus 1. Now this is the integral of 1 is the t. Therefore plus c, where the t is, what is the t here? This is the t. Therefore where t is the root of 1 plus 1 x power 4. This is the t. The root of, what is the t here? Root of 1 plus x power 4. Now this is also written as 1 plus x power whole power 1 by 2. That is the x square. Is it clear? The t is sending to the other side. This is 1 plus 1 upon x power 4 under root. Therefore this is the 1 plus x power 4. x power 4 whole root is the x square. Now this is substitute in this 1 plus x power 4 whole power 5 by 2 x power 10 into 5. So this is the where p is. We can write where p is this one. So this is today. So I will post the I will keep the solutions Tuesday. Today I have some special work. So the next classes of the indefinite integrals are very important for the advanced point of view. So these are very important models are there. So please concentrate on them, and also we have to prepare the previous all formulas and also the previous questions. So please practice thoroughly number of times. Okay, thank you all.